just got home not too long ago. Came home to a very windy day. It started, I think, last night, but on the south side it is not as windy as the east side. Here it's windier, but you know, it did rain off and on today. As you can tell, the sky is, you can see blue, but there is some dark clouds up there. And other than that, it's a beautiful day other than the wind. But let me get right back to you. So I wanted to share this little area with you, which is right in front of my chicken coop. Anyway, I saved a lot of the speckled romaine lettuce, and all I did was sprinkle them all here in front of the chicken coop, and now they are growing so wonderful, very close together, but I can thin them out and just toss the baby greens in a salad, or you know, just even give them to my chickens. But I am so glad that it's coming out really nice. But I made the video, I uploaded the video last night on the Hawaiian coconut pudding, which is called Haupia, and I will list the ingredients in the description box below. So if you are interested, check out this video because the ingredients will be below. But anyway, I just wanted to share this windy evening, my speckled romaine lettuce, the beautiful sky, and the Haupia recipe, which will be below. Anyway, guys, have a great evening and also a very safe weekend as well. Take care, guys. Aloha.